All right, so welcome again, people, to MG Sports TV. So, unfortunately, Leon Bailey is out again. Very, very unfortunate. But this one is quite interesting because this season, starting off this season, just basically 6 games, 7 games in the Premier League, and Leon Bailey is actually one of Aston Villa's highest output in total games that they have played so far, where numbers are concerned, where goal contribution are concerned. And guess what now? Liam Bailey's out without a return date status. So basically, they're just ruled out. According to the injury expert, the Premier League injury expert, the status for that is just ruled out. But certainly by tomorrow, I believe that Aston Villa will be giving a lot more update on that. Very, very unfortunate. He wasn't able to come off the field by himself. He had to be assisted. And that is actually not a good sign. So we're going to get some details, people. Please do smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Let's just get into discussion. So this season have been Leon Bailey's biggest season, and it was potentially set to be one of his breakout Premier League season. This was supposed to be his breakout Premier League season, and he actually started off the season really, really well. And this now is a huge setback for him. Big setback. As he came off the pitch in the 31st minute, went down and injured in the 28th minute. I think it was a poor challenge, really poor challenge. But it's very unfortunate because Leon Bailey is one of those players who just kind of, you'd say, injury prone. I think you would say that he's injury prone. It's very unfortunate. And that's how it is sometimes. But the question is, what next? What next for Leon Bailey? What next for Aston Villa? As I stated, here I have the list of players in the squad right now in regards to goal contribution, goal output. And Leon Bailey topped the list for Aston Villa. He tops the list for Aston Villa. So far this season, his goal output is 5 goal contribution, 4 goals, 1 assist. The closest to him is actually John Duran with 2 goals, with 4 goals. And 2 goals from the Premier League and 2 goals in the Conference League. We have Matty Cash on 3 goals, 2 in the Premier League, 1 goal in the Conference League. We have Douglas Luiz on 3 goals as well, 2 in the Premier League, 1 in the Conference League. Diaby, 2 goals in the Premier League and also 2 assists. So his goal contribution is also 4. But Leon Bailey has 4 goals in total and 1 assist. 2 in the Premier League and 2 in the Conference League. And he also registered an assist in the Premier League. So he's at basically the highest, the top performer. Unfortunately, that's kind of surprising, just to show that his output numbers are quite good. He's one of the top performers for the club at this present moment. And no, they are going to have to do without him. Now, I might ask the question, will this be a huge loss for Aston Villa? You're going to have people on both sides of the spectrum here. You're going to have one set of people said, no, Aston Villa can do without him. I'm turning the mic down now. Do I apologize for that? So like the peak. And then you're gonna have the other people when I said, hey, they won't be able to do without him. And that's just how fans view the football, the spectrum of football right at this present moment. I personally do believe that it's definitely going to be a tough task without his goal contribution. At the end of the day, for him to be overall their leading goal contributor, that would certainly mean that there are aspects of football that his contribution are very vital. Now the big question is, how will Leon Bailey bounce back from this? And as I said, this whole scenario with Leon Bailey is one in which I kind of ask something right now. I think this is it. Yeah. So this entire situation with Leon Bailey is one in which it's just complicated, very complicated, where injury is a concern, because we have seen this especially last season. Time is coming back, 2-3 games playing good, out. 2-3 games playing good, coming and then out again. I think this is now maybe a second minor. This is a second injury. He picked up a minor injury earlier. in the start of the season, and now this look a bit more serious than he wanted. Now, Is he training too hard? Is he training too hard? And that's one of the reasons why his muscles cannot cope with his training regime. Is that one of the things? Is that one of the aspects? Is he training too hard? Because I would really, really love to know now. Because at the end of the day, yeah, you'd have to ask the question, why is it that he's unable? Why is it that he's unable to stay fit? What's the sole reason why he is unable to stay fit? Because at the end of the day, being available is one of the best possible characteristics of a footballer. It's one of the best characteristics, or one of the best assets that you have as a footballer. Availability. But unfortunately, he's out. As you know, basically, based off according to the Premier League injury report, it could be out for a while. But the official report will be coming out tomorrow. By tomorrow, Aston Villa will release that. Give us a more defined update. So we'll see this one panned out, people. We'll definitely see this one panned out. In the meantime, please do smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. For me, I'm frustrated. I'm really frustrated because I want to see him get a good run of game and really, really hit the ground running and just take the Premier League by storm. But very unfortunate. I'm not sure. I don't know what the situation is. I'm not sure if it's diet, nutrition, training too hard, fatigue. I don't know. Anyways, big up, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys again. Another few days, and tomorrow we'll get a further update. We'll let you guys know. So big up yourself, people. We're out.